used to take it slow. Now I feel the air and take the long way home. This place is all I've ever known. No longer scared of the open road. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. 'Cause we're wild at heart. We're wild at heart.
Yung ugali ko kasi, kung may kumpirma sa amin magkakapatid, ako talaga yung maldiita. Siya lang talaga yung nakakatiis sa ugali kong gano'n.
You're missing, yeah, just start living. Let's make a new beginning and never stop.
Yung mata niya, kasi mahilig talaga ako sa singkit. Hindi ko talaga alam kasi attracted talaga ako sa singkit.
Take on the world, we could be anything. Are you in, are you out, are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. 'Cause we're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild.
Nagkakilala kami ni Jess sa school. Pinakilala siya sa akin ng friend ko.
Nakilala ko ata siya sa practice na rin ng pageant namin. Una, friends lang. Hanggang sa nasanay lang ako na lagi ko siyang kasama.
This love is pure. Always.
One time, inask ko siya during my birthday.
January 28, 2008.
Tinanong ko siya kung pwede bang maging kami. And then sinabi niya naman na oo, pwede naman.
Doon ko na siya sinagot. Then yun, doon kami nag-start.
Doon po nagsimula na aming istorya.
I'll fight every moment through hard times. I'll keep believing that you
Sana maligaya kayo.
till death
Walang away.
do us part. You held my heart to the end of
Pag may kunting alitan ay pag-usapan nyo kung ano ang mali ng dalawa. Yan ang tatandaan mo para palagi kayong nasal.
Iiyak na siya.
seasons. They go.
Tayo ngayon ay nagkakatipon sa harapan ng Diyos upang pagbuklorin sina kapatid na Giselle Toco at si kapatid na Clarence Bonifacio.
I promise to stand by your side, to support you and cherish you in all the season of our life together.
Love is in my veins. I'll fight every moment through hard times. I'll keep believing that you and I, till death do us part. You held my heart to the end of time.
Thank you sa Ama. Salamat sa Ama. Kasi feeling ko hinuod niya na ako. Hindi niya na talaga ako pinabayaan na mapalayo pa.
Maraming salamat sa Ama kasi binigyan niya kami ng pagkakataon na magsama. Pinili niya rin ako na makasama sa pananampalataya.
So yun, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat.
Kumbaga, sa tagal din po namin, bawat araw, bawat gabi, ayun yung pinapanalangin ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nakita ko yung pagsusumikap ninyo. Lubos ako nagpapasalamat.
Magmahalan kayo, maayos.
Dizzy from the way this world is turning, turning. Different from the way
Hello, Be.
told us.
Today, ikakasal tayo.
Which way is up or
Thank you so much dun sa lahat na naging effort mo.
down now? We're all just trying to find our place, but each day could go a million ways. I guess we're all running the same race. We'll make it up as we go now. We'll shake it up until we figure it all out.
Para maging mabuting ina rin, magiging anak natin in the future.
All our dreams and
Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
Today, surrounded by people who love us, I choose you to be my partner. I am proud to be your wife and to join my life with yours.
we're making it up as we go now, go now.
You may now kiss your
We're making it up
bride.
as we go now.
Pwede ka nang humalik, bro.
Make it up as we go now. We'll shake it up until we figure it all out. Yeah, it might be harder than it seems, but we're catching up to all our dreams. And we'll make it up as we go now.